guys, to a new video. Today we're gonna basket the birds for a race of 383, something like that. I first thought it was another flight, but we're going to Rethel, so it's 383 kilometers per hour. So we're gonna check on the birds. Yesterday or 2 days ago I bring the young birds for the first time for training around 40 kilometers, so I'll show you that release as well, and then we're gonna check on the old birds before basketing. We cleaned the male bird loft, so we're gonna let the hens with the male birds, and then within an hour we're gonna basket the birds, so we let them have some time together for extra motivation to race back this Saturday. So that's what we're gonna do now. They are all together now. We just leave them for an hour, then we're gonna basket the birds. It's for some extra motivation to come faster at home. So we just let them, and then we're gonna clean the hens loft, and then we're gonna basket the birds. First we're gonna check which one we're gonna put at top of the list. We have 3 to choose, so we will see. So for this weekend we also have 30 pigeons for the race. This one was last weekend the first one, so let's hope, let's see, we'll do it again this weekend. She's looking great. We will check on the birds after this, so we will see. So guys, here we have the first one, 915. She's looking great. You see a blue dot on the chest, also an indication of a good racing form. So this one we're gonna put at first. Last weekend she was my first bird. She was 29th in the club, so really strong. I hope this weekend she will be a lot faster and even higher, even in the department, but we will see. So we put her at first. Here we have the partner of 915, this one on 72. Male bird. He's looking nice, looking great, feeling great. But the chest color could be a little bit more pink, but yeah, sometimes it doesn't say that much. But this weekend it will be a race with a south wind, so a tailwind, so it will go fast, I think. So we will see. Maybe something doesn't really matter. But this one we're not gonna set the first 3, but we're gonna basket him. Here we have the 215. It's my oldest racer from 2021. Not looking that great on the chest, but is on a good weight, so it could be a great race. You will see. He's looking strong, and he's with my best hand, so we will see what he will do on a Saturday. Here we have the 917. This one is a youngster for my best hen. It's the 609. She's not looking at the best. Just could be a little bit more pink. She's for the weight is great. Here we see the wing. I'm not putting her at the first tree. I'm not confident about her, but maybe it will come later on in the season, we will see. Here we have the 234, the tiger gristle. It's a nice bird to see, nice bird in hand. And he always made it home, but not that much in the points. For today, chest looks really nice. If I feel their feet, they're warm, that means that the blood circulation is great. So that means they have a lot of oxygen in their blood system, so that's a great thing. Nice bird in the hand, but for the racing he didn't show a thing, but maybe he will do something this year on the longer distance flight, we will see. For now, I'm not gonna put him in the first tree, but maybe on a longer distance flight I will. Here we have the 401, and she looks great. Chest color, really nice. I'm gonna show you. Nice pink color. The only thing is that she could be a little bit more smoother, but and the shorter feathers, I'll show you if it's the shorter feathers. This one's need to lay at the top of the flights. As you can see, they lay between them. So it's also an indication for the form. So I'm not gonna put her in the top 3. Here we have the 976. I think I'm gonna call her the cannonball, because always when I'm gonna basket her, she's wound like a cannonball. So always full. Chest color. It's looking nice, but yeah, as a young bird, she flew a good race only once. So yeah, I'm not pretty sure on what she will do. As you can see, the shorter flights from this flight all are above on the flights, so that's a great thing. But yeah, so you have a lot of things to watch for the form and anything else, but I'm not sure. I don't think I put her at the top 3 for this race. And here we have a partner. It's a 970, great bird, third in the department from Helmstedt, a special flight on the east line. And with this one, you can see the shorter flights are all on top of the racing flight. So I'm thinking of putting him maybe second, not pretty sure, just looking great. I think I'm gonna put him second. Here we have the 912, also a bird that sometimes comes early. As you can see, the chest got a little bit more pink, and the wing is not that great at this point. Here, almost all on top of it, but I'm not gonna put her in the top 3. So here we have the 909, also a youngster from my best hen. Colors looking nice, wing also looking nice. The chest I will show you, nice and pink. Again, we're showing it a little bit darker, but it's really nice. Also, it is smooth. Could be a little bit smoother, but it's looking nice. So yeah, I'm not gonna put him at the first 3, but I'm pretty sure he will be early. So yeah, we will see on the Saturday. And then here we have the last male bird. Color also looking really nice. Wing also, the only point he has is that he lost 2 of the top of his flights. So yeah.
Die zit nog wel op. Yes. Ja, hoe hou je erin? Die chip is zeg maar lam. Ja, haal duivel op het kind in dat weg. Ja, dan blijkt dat we klaar voor zijn kost. Oké. Als men dit zegt wat je hebt, dan mag. Ja, wees zo wat dat is. Oké.
Ik wist twee dat vinden, dan top.
Dat kan wel heel achter je raak wachten. Ik bied het niet. Oh, nog niet.
So guys, we basked all the birds that we wanted, 13 of them. So we're gonna go to the club, then we go basket them in, and then they will go inside of the trailer, and then they go to Rethel, and then Saturday they will be back home. So that also was the video. Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. You can do it down below. Would appreciate it. See you on the next one. Bye guys.